How to improve customer service and satisfaction on Amazon. 1. Treat every customer as your friend. Be friendly and polite. Be your best professional self. Show respect by being fair and honest. Be upbeat, empathetic, and patient. Deliver on promises. Keep current on changes and aware of new information. Approach the situation recognizing that each customer's need is unique. 2. Know your customer. Listen to their problem and think through how it may impact them. With email, use simple and direct language that is easy to understand. 3. Never guess. Carefully evaluate each customer question and answer it. Be precise and say with confidence only what you know is true and relevant. Do not speculate when the answer is not available, say so in order to preserve customer trust. 4. Solve the problem. Partner with customers to find the right solution that fits their unique needs. Seek out and use available resources to make things right. In the end, solving the problem is what matters most. Consider the 5 A's of empathy. Acknowledge, appreciate, assure, action, apologize. Empathy fuels connection and allows you to partner with your customer. Using empathy helps to build your customers' trust in your product or service. Finally, use your tools and resources to research and answer the question asked. Answering customer questions with information you know to be true further builds customer trust.